Tests of divisibility. So in this topic, actually we need the divisibility rules for all the numbers. So as per the required of this topic, let me show you a few now. So first we'll start with easy numbers. Instead of for all the rules of the divisibility rules, the basic numbers what we need. So the rule for 10, easy ones you see first. So rule for 10, which number is divisible by 10? So a number is divisible by 10 if its units place is 0. So always the number is units place is 0, that is exactly divisible by 10. We know that, right? So 10, 20, even 320 or 440. Units place must be 0. Then that number is divisible by 10. Then what is the divisible rule for next one is 5. 10 is simple only by checking the units place. If it is 0, that is divisible by 10. Now rule for 5, a number is divisible by 5 if units digit is 0 or 5. So in this, units place is 0 or 5, either 0 or 5 if it is in units place. In this case only units place must be 0. Then these are the examples. Same way for the divisible rule for 5. So example 25, 30, 445. So units place is either 0 or 5. Is it divisible by 5? Now then divisibility rule for 2. So rule for 2 is, in this case all the even numbers are divisible by 2. That means the units place is 0 or any even number. So that means units place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Any one of this number in the units place, that number is divisible by 2. So 6234. 4 is in units place. So this number is divisible by 2. 604. 4 is in units place. Right? So 326. 6 is in units place. So units place must be even digit. Either 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then that number is divisible by 2. Right? And rule for 3 and 9. First let me show the rule for 3. Divisibility rule for 3. Sum of the digits is divisible by 3, that number is divisible by 3. If a number is divisible by 3 means if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Let's take 645. In this, 6 plus 4 plus 5, 15. So if the 15 is divisible by 3, so 645 also divisible by 3. Same way rule for 3 and rule for 9 is both are same. Rule for 9 is 3 means the sum of the digits must be divisible by 3. Here is the sum of the digits should be divisible by 9 for the 9 rule. So example 45,387. To check this number is divisible by 9 or not, you just add the numbers. 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 8 plus 7. By adding this you will get 27. 27 is divisible by 9. So this 45,387 also divisible by 9. So remember 3 and 9 is the same rule. The number is divisible by, the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. That number is divisible by 3. Sum of the digits is number of the sum of the digits in the number divisible by 9. That number is divisible by 9. And any number is divisible by 9. It's also divisible by 3 because 3 table only 9 is there. Right. Next come to the 6 rule for 6. Divisible rule for 6. If any number is divisible by 2 and 3. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3, then number is divisible by 6. So rule for 2, rule for 3, both should satisfy for the rule for 6. Right? We take 540 number. So in this units place is 0, so it is divisible by 2. And sum of the digits 5 plus 4 plus 0, it is 9. So 9 is divisible by 3, so this number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. So 540 divisible by 6. If anyone is not satisfied, that is not divisible by 6. For example 300 so 6, 7 and more 1. 3171. So 4, 5, 12. Sum is, this number is divisible by 3 but not 2, because 3 plus 1 plus 7 plus 1, 4, 5, 12. Sum is 12. This is number divisible by 3 but not 2. So it is not divisible by 6. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then only the number is divisible by 6. Right? Again, see the rule for 4 and 8. Divisible rule for the 4 and divisibility rule for 8. Both I'll explain it same example. For 4 is the units and tens, the last two numbers. For example, 3516. If units and tens, the number is divisible by 4, then the entire number is divisible by 4. And for 8 is last three numbers. When you come to this 8, last three. Like 16,700, 16,000, this number you can take, 1,67,800. The last three are in 8 table. Last three are divisible by 8, that entire number is divisible by 8. For 4 is last 2 and for 8 is last 3 are divisible by that number, then the number is divisible by those. Right? And rule for 11, see this one rule also. Divisible rule for 11. So 12, 13, 14 all are not necessary as per your syllabus. So rule for 11 is, consider a number 61,809. When you come to this rule for 11, difference between the sum of the even places and odd places. So first number, third number and fifth number you can add. Second and fourth remaining you can add. 6 plus 8 plus 9, 1 plus 0. Sum of the even places numbers, odd places numbers. So this is 1 and it is 9 plus 8, 17 plus 6, so 20. So by adding this only you can get separately. So this is a 23. Now difference between them. So 23 minus 1, so 22. If the result is in 11 table or is divisible by 11, that number is divisible by 11. So a number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of its digits in even places and sum of the digits in odd places is either 0 or divisible by 11, like 0, 11, 22, 33, so on. The number is divisible by 11. These are the basic properties we'll apply for the divisibility rules. And let us see the numerical word problems in this test for divisibility rules.